Chinger has unveiled its newest creation, the latest variant of its stunning 21C hypercar, and it's a sight to behold. Dubbed the El Mirage Edition, this particular 21C stands out with its pristine all-white finish, accentuating the car's striking lines, contours, and curves. Even the carbon fiber wheels boast the same elegant white hue. Adding a touch of flair, subtle red accents grace the exterior, enhancing the car's visual appeal. The underside of the front canards and delicate red pinstripes adorning the bodywork complement the clean white backdrop. Notably, the imposing rear wing also features a vibrant red finish. Crafted under the vision of co-founder Lucas Chinger, this 21C edition's interior remains a mystery, but one can anticipate a harmonious blend of white upholstery with striking red accents, mirroring the exterior's captivating aesthetic. Beyond its captivating design, the 21C's powertrain steals the spotlight. At its heart lies an in-house 2.88-liter twin-turbocharged V8, boasting a flat-plane crank capable of revving up to an astounding 11,000 RPM, generating a staggering 950 horsepower. This powertrain, hailed as the most power-dense production engine globally, receives an additional performance boost from two electric motors, delivering a combined output of 1,233 horsepower or 1,333 horsepower with an optional power upgrade. Coupled with a 7-speed sequential transmission, the 21C promises an exhilarating driving experience. What truly sets the 21C apart is its remarkable power-to-weight ratio, clocking in at under 1,240 kilograms dry. This exceptional ratio ensures electrifying performance, allowing the hypercar to achieve a 1-to-1 power-to-weight ratio. Moreover, Chinger's meticulous aerodynamic enhancements keep the car planted to the ground, playing a crucial role in its record-setting lap around Laguna Seca in July 2021.